Okay, this is the reason for the Opus clip. Ready? So I made a short, and here's my short on the left. And now I want to show you the user experience, why the short matters, and why either when you do a remix from your YouTube channel, which makes a short out of a longer video, or you use Opus Clip to then make the short, and then you remember to choose related video. So I click on this, I tap on this short.
There's whole courses just on selling on Amazon.
And then down here, there's a link. And this is 10 tips. This is the main link, right? So now I can
Sometimes
tap that.
Sometimes it's like, we'll do
and now
Amazon
I'm at
and
the main
Apple,
link.
say.
That's
all
it.
right,
That's
fine.
the reason
I'll
we're
do that.
doing
But
Opus
I
Clip.
don't,
because it makes the short, which is the
I
lead-in or lead magnet or the teaser, or whatever you want to call it, the lead into the main video. Because people are not necessarily going to see your main video, but they're going to see the short. There's more of a chance they see the short because the shorts pop up in their feed more. The shorts are easier to share and stuff, and can grab that attention with that one little clip of the bigger video. That's it. That's why we're doing Opus Clip or doing Remix on your phone. All right, bye for now.